And joining us now from New York City at the International Hotel, Motel, and Restaurant Show in New York City is Dr. John Barquet, the urban entomologist and senior scientist with Ecolab. Ecolab develops and markets cleaning, sanitizing, pest control, maintenance, and repair products and services. John, thank you for your time. How's it going in the Big Apple?
Very well. Happy to be here.
Thanks for taking the time to talk to us. We'll talk about your new announcement. Your company, along with the American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute, has just announced the launch of a new toolkit, and it's called bedbugtoolkit.com. We all know that that's a big problem now in hospitality. But very quickly, tell us how the show is going today.
Yes, the show is going very well. Ecolab is exhibiting along with many other vendors that service the hospitality industry. So we're going to enjoy 3 days of talking to our hotel owners and the staff, which includes, of course, housekeeping, engineering. We also have some students here, the chefs, etc., all people that service the hotel industry, and basically explaining what our programs and services are all about.
What exactly is the Bedbug Toolkit, and how can resort managers and operators use this to help avoid having an infestation?
Well, if they access the website, it's at bedbugtoolkit.com, and it provides some resources that helps answer questions about bed bugs and explains what the hotels can do about them. So it contains a bedbug pocket card. For example, if I can show you, this is a card that the housekeepers can keep on their staff. Keep on their service cart or keep in their pockets, and it tells them what to do should they suspect that bed bugs are present in the room. Now, as you know, housekeepers are in these rooms servicing them, so their eyes are there every day, and we train the hotel staff how to inspect for bed bugs. So on the toolkit, there is, in addition to the pocket card, there's also a poster that can information poster on bed bugs that can be put in their office areas. There is an instructional video, and then we've got a bed bug fact sheet. So everything that they have there are resources for them, so that they can learn about bed bugs and know what to do about them.
How bad is the bed bug problem right now for in the hospitality world?
Well, we still see it on the rise. It does get blown a little bit out of proportion because it is something that's sensational. But right now we're seeing it in less than a fraction of 1% of the hotel rooms out there. So unless you're a frequent traveler, you're really not likely to run into them.
The bed bugs, they went away for some time, and they're back. And can you explain why that is?
Yes, shortly after World War II, bed bugs were eradicated in the United States because of the invent of DDT. DDT, a very potent and long-lasting insecticide, which we can no longer use today because of its toxic properties. So we have a resurgence, and it's thought because of an increase in world travel. And people from all countries all over the world are traveling to the United States. And bed bugs are excellent hitchhikers. And they come in the personal belongings, and then they're introduced into the hotel rooms from someone that has them in their personal belongings. And that's basically how they get into the hotel.
And it has nothing to do with the lack of cleanliness.
No, they're not. There's nothing to do with sanitation. They are present in both 2-star as well as 5-star hotels.
What about treatment options? There are a lot of newer ways coming around. Tell us about some treatment options.
Well, it's important that that the hotel operators that they partner with a reputable pest management company, because there are a lot of treatment options, but it needs to be proven. They need to be scientifically proven technologies that work, as there are a lot of options out there that may be questionable in terms of their effectiveness. So what's really important is that the hotel staff get trained on how to detect the bed bugs early, so that the problem can be managed quickly by partnering with a reputable pest management company and solving the problem quickly to protect their brand and to make sure that their guest satisfaction remains at a high level.
And again, the website address is www.bedbugtoolkit.com. You're lucky to be able to get that address, I guess. There's even a video on there, instructional video.
There's an instructional video that shows, it's got some of the background on bed bugs, and then shows how a housekeeper, when they enter and are servicing the rooms, what they need to do in terms of looking for the bed bugs.
Okay, John, we do appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Coming to us from the International Hotel, Motel, and Restaurant Show in New York City, Dr. John Barquet with Ecolab. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.
It is my pleasure.